Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn more about the props. Okay. So props stand for properties. You can see here, we have created an example that use props in here. So prop is there are some parameters that we or attribute that we use to send the data from parent component to the child component. Okay, and it read-only, immutable. The type may be a variable, an expression of JavaScript, or a prop children. Now we let's move back to the table and create an example for it. So in the app.js file, I will create an object character equal an array, and this array have some item in JSON format. Charlie, and the char is def. Okay, I will copy this for fast. Oh yeah. Change a little bit for the name. J backend, frontend, John. Hey. Okay, and this is the data that we will send into the table component. So we can add the table here. Okay, we go back to the table.js and export the table. Export default table first, and then using the table in here, table, and we will add the variable character by character like this, and we go to the table again. We define an in here so in the table, let's create to get the character, we will use something like create a character. Okay, assign it by this character. Yeah, this is inside the render. Okay, because we define the character inside the render, so we need to use the curly bracket to surround the character like this. And after that, we set the t-body with the character equal character. Okay, and we will modify a little bit for the t-body. I will remove all of it here. Alright, and now I will use the just create constant rows equal props. Okay, we should add the props as the parameter for this because this is a functional component, so we need to add the prop and access the character and use the map function, row and index. Alright, inside the map I will return the td. Okay, return this. No, we need to copy the tr also. Alright, and for the name we'll change with the row name, and for the job I change it to use the row job. Okay, and for the return in here I will return t body, and inside it I will add the rows here. Okay, so now let's run again. npm start. This character, okay, table props, this character, yeah, sorry, this props. Okay, we have the table here with the data from the app function like this. Okay, not just the props not just support the data, it also support the component. We can pass the component into a component. So let's create an example. Okay, we can create new component, split panel .js, and in here I will create a function component split panel with a props, and inside this I will return a div and another div. So inside div, this first div I will add the props first component. Okay, just first. Okay, and I have also have another is a second. Alright, now I will export this split panel and go back to the app. Right now I will use the split panel and I add first equal the Okay, maybe the person, and alright, this is the first, and for the second, equal the table. Okay, with the character equal character. Alright, you see here I add two components, person and table, like props into the split panel component, and let's see what happened. Okay, you see we have two components inside the split panel like this. Okay,